Are you looking for the top 5 magic building block set, creative STEM toy for kids? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the best 5 magic building block set on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned. So be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget. Number 1. Magnetic building blocks for kids ages 4 to 8. 32 PCS magnetic building set. Magnetic blocks includes 14 different patterns that enhance kids' concentration and patience. Children aged 3+ can explore their imagination by using turf, bricks, roads, rivers, and forests to build anything they can envision, fostering creativity and hands-on learning. 32 PCS set is a basic, portable version with fewer bricks. For larger builds, consider 100 PCS or 200 PCS. New magnetic tile road design. Magnetic building blocks design adds fun to playtime with new racetracks and colorful traffic light patterns. These magnetic cubes create dynamic play possibilities, keep them busy in clever ways, and to build anything they can envision. Creative booklet guide. Magnetic cubes for kids come with a creative booklet that is divided into 5 levels based on different building difficulties. The number of magnetic cubes is indicated, and children can build after the pieces in the booklet to gain a sense of accomplishment and self-confidence. Educational tools for math and beyond. Magnetic blocks for kids ages 8 to 12 are capable of counting, sorting, and basic arithmetic, making them a valuable resource that combines play with educational growth while reinforcing math skills. Perfect safe gift for kids. Magnetic blocks for kids ages 4 to 8 prevents magnet breakage and accidental ingestion, ensuring child safety. It is an ideal gift for birthdays, Christmas, and other holidays, or any occasion that promotes creativity, teamwork, and problem-solving skills, making it a thoughtful and lasting gift. Number 2. Magnetic building block toy, 144-piece STEM set. Spark creativity and learning with a magnetic building block toy, 144 PCS construction set, designed to inspire endless imagination in boys and girls ages 6 to 9. Each 0.8-inch magnetic cube easily snaps together, allowing kids to build towers, animals, vehicles, and unique 3D structures with confidence. Powerful built-in magnets ensure stable stacking, while remaining easy for small hands to assemble and take apart. This engaging STEM toy helps develop critical thinking, problem-solving, spatial awareness, and fine motor skills through hands-on play. Made from durable, child-safe materials with smooth edges, it's built to withstand hours of creative fun at home or in the classroom. Perfect for solo play or group activities. This magnetic construction set encourages teamwork and imaginative exploration, a wonderful Christmas or birthday gift. It combines education and entertainment to keep kids happily learning while they play. Number 3. Magnetic blocks, 100 PCS STEM building cubes. Let's play with magnetic blocks. This magnetic building blocks will not collapse easily during construction and can be freely combined to build anything they imagine, which promotes the growth of children's creativity, including 100 magnetic cubes in 20 colors. Idea booklet with the storyline and beautiful patterns. Keep them busy in clever ways. Perfect STEM toys help kids gain a deeper understanding of the structure and learn about magnetic properties. Magnetic building cubes help kids learn, play, and build confidence while exploring construction. They attract toddlers' attention with their bell-like rustling sounds. These magnetic blocks promote creative thinking. It helps to promote kids' creative thinking, concentration and patience, hand-eye coordination motor skills, cooperative skills, spatial and motor skills. Magnetic toys attract toddlers' attention and encourage screen-free play. Kids can imagine and create their dream buildings. Magnetic blocks for kids ages 4 to 8 spark creativity and develop motor skills. Ideal for classrooms and popular with kids 3+. These number blocks let children imagine and create their dream buildings. Kids will have fun and learn through play. Perfect educational gifts for birthdays, Christmas, STEM, and school activities, making them great for parent-child bonding on weekends. Number 4. 65 PCS magnetic blocks with magnetized toy. Inspire early learning and endless creativity with the 65 PCS magnetic blocks with magnetized toy, designed for toddlers and kids ages 3 to 8. Featuring bright, eye-catching colors and fun magnetic eyes, these cubes bring characters and creatures to life while encouraging imaginative storytelling. Strong built-in magnets make stacking easy and stable, helping little hands build confidently without frustration. This STEM preschool sensory toy supports the development of fine motor skills, color recognition, spatial awareness, and problem-solving through hands-on play. Crafted from durable, child-safe materials with smooth edges, the blocks are safe for everyday use at home or in the classroom. The included storage bag keeps pieces neatly organized and makes cleanup quick and simple. Perfect for boys and girls, this magnetic building block set is an ideal birthday or holiday gift that combines fun, creativity, and educational value in one engaging toy. Number 5. Grassland Magnetic Tile Set 100 PCS. Embark on a thrilling mission with our 100-piece magnet building block set, where children can build their own adventure game world using a variety of elements. Magnet toys are like sandbox games, which can be assembled at will, allowing children to unleash their creativity. This children's magnetic cube comes with a creative manual to guide and inspire children to explore the magnetic dream world. Each design has clear quantities and elements, and children can confidently copy each model, guiding and inspiring them to explore the magnetic dream world. Our magnetic building blocks are compatible with popular brands on the market, and you can expand your collection by adding more building blocks. Each building block contains 8 kinds of magnetic forces, making the building stronger and more stable. Smooth edges and durable structure prevent damage and swallowing. The cube combines UV technology and magnetism, providing a variety of patterns to create a more vivid and immersive game experience. Magnetic building blocks help children understand the structured world and understand magnetism, and exercise children's attention, spatial awareness, and fine motor skills. Magnetic building block toys are ideal Montessori toy for children, especially for young gamers who love to explore and build in a virtual world. Ideal gifts for boys and girls aged 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and up. Suitable for group activities and classroom use, including preschool and kindergarten.